My name is Natasha here at Tameron Hyundai. This is the 2016 Elantra GT that you inquired about. As you can see, it does have progressive styling, has the waterfall grille, the wraparound headlights that are also daytime running lights as well. This one does have the proximity key, and since you did not specify which trim or package level that you were interested in, I got one that has a lot of different features. As you can see, this has the steering wheel controls, voice activation, Bluetooth. This does have, you can get a backup camera for this as well. This has a 2.0-liter engine that has 173 horsepower. And the best thing here at Tameron Hyundai is our warranty. We have the best warranty in the industry, hands down. We have a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty for your car. We have a 7-year anti-corrosion warranty, as well as a 5-year roadside assistance warranty. Now, if you do want a sunroof, we also have that as well. This offers a 27 miles to the gallon. So, Wayne, I look forward to seeing you and meeting you. So definitely, give me a call. My number on my cell is 256-295-1573, or you can reach me here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. I look forward to seeing and meeting with you soon. At Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.